Thank you to our Norwegian customer for purchasing the EA250WH3 indoor LED display screen. EA250WH3 indoor LED display screen is designed specifically for home theaters and indoor spaces, featuring an ultra-thin body and fine-pitch display characteristics. EA250WH3 indoor LED display screen cabinet is only 33mm thick, thinner and lighter than ordinary indoor LED screens. The LED display screen adopts a full front maintenance solution, which not only saves valuable space but also effectively reduces the overall structural cost. EA250WH3 indoor LED display screen module uses a hub connection design, eliminating the need for separate DC power cables or other cables, greatly improving installation efficiency and convenience.